that people are even hinting about military takeover maybe is a symptom that something is not right. But I thought it is a vocabulary that will never ever be mentioned again in the history of Nigeria. But if it is being discussed, whether real or imaginary, then it means we need to be attentive, especially those in leadership. There is no reason why, when things are going very well, anybody would come up with the idea of a military takeover. I am not involved in that, and I don't want to be involved in that. All I want to be involved in is the process of making sure our people live happily in unity and in peace, that our people get the basic necessities of life to be able to live well. When they live well, I tell you, the issue of violence and all these criminal activities will drastically reduce. A functional democracy, a utilitarian democracy, a democracy that produces results, not people locked up in rooms and debating about their payments and allowances and privileges and so on, that people who are genuinely concerned about the people, they go to the grassroots, like the Pope told us, go out, meet them where they are. Do something for them. The legislators, it's not just enough to be in the legislative house, that you must find time to go back and reconnect with your people. And you must hear from your people and bring their groanings, their sufferings, their aspirations to the legislative house. Minister of Communication, the agitation that he should resign and so on, because of his statements linked to the Al-Qaeda and Taliban in the past. The minister has a lot of explanation to do to the Nigerians. There was a time we were told that some leaders in this country want to convert this country to another religion. These leaders came out and said it's not true. Now we hear a minister talking in such manner that is offensive to Nigerians, and he is saying it's not true. So you are more or less on your own. So I said, do what you can. Don't be unrealistic, believing that there will be another security thing coming to take care of you. It is not there. It's not working. And I go to the villages, I tell them, do what you can. This is an era of do it yourself, DIY. Do it yourself. Don't wait. Don't wait. Waiting will be too dangerous. So do what you can for yourself, to protect yourself and defend yourself. What can we do? I can confirm to you that, yeah, there were security scares around the Veritas University. And we had to take the appropriate action as quickly as possible. And it's not only there, it's all over. In the different areas, in different places here in the FCT, we have the fear is palpable. The fear is palpable. So we can only join our voices to those of other people of goodwill to say, come to our aid. You, those in authority, come to our aid. You must do something for us. Don't push us to a cul-de-sac. A cul-de-sac in French means you come to a wall, you can't go, you can't come back, you are just caught there. Please, Nigerians need better than this. They deserve better than this. Mbaka is a priest of the Catholic Church. He is not the Catholic Church. And I want this to be clear, that people should understand the structure of the Catholic Church. When a bishop speaks, they say the Catholic Church has said. A priest of the Catholic Church speaks and they say the Catholic Church has spoken. And it's very easy to be misled. The Catholic Church doesn't speak like that. It doesn't speak through Father Mbaka or any one bishop. When we gather and we have to issue a statement, you will know that it is coming from the Catholic bishops. So please avoid generalizing, hasty generalization. A bishop speaks there, he speaks his mind as a Nigerian, and then you say the Catholic Church. Please, this is not correct. I just wanted to. And then as for Father Mbaka, he's a Catholic priest under a Catholic bishop. He was ordained a Catholic priest. He took an oath during ordination. I promise obedience and respect to you, my local ordinary, and your successors. This was the oath he took in front of everybody and before God, which means that oath is valid till you die. You can't recant. If he's a Catholic priest, he must go by what the Catholic Church teaches and stands for. So, Father Mbaka is a priest, as I said, but he should realize that a Catholic priest is forbidden by Canon law, Canon 285. That is the code of canon law for the Catholic Church, 285. Prohibits, I say prohibits any clergy, Catholic clergy, from engaging in anything that is foreign to the clerical state. Anything that is, outside. It's foreign. There's a second word I'm looking for. Not only that, there's another one. It's foreign to the Catholic clerical state.
Strange?
Yeah, okay. There's a word, find Canon 285. Find Canon 285, Google it, find Canon 285. There are two words used that are strange, I think, and foreign. Anyway, find it out. So that means we are prohibited from embarking on anything that is alien, strange, foreign to our clerical status and what the Catholic Church teaches us. As clergy, we are not allowed to dabble into politics. It doesn't mean we cannot be prophetic in the sense that you heard me condemning criminality and corruption in my address a short while ago. We can do that. That is a prophetic mission. Unbecoming. That's the word I was looking for. Things that are unbecoming or foreign to the clerical state. Partisan politics is not part of our calling. We can talk about things going bad, the unemployment of youth, and the criminality in the society, but it's not our own part to start talking about what does not concern us. So I just want to end there by saying that Canon 285 prohibits a Catholic priest who has been validly ordained in front of people. He took an oath to be faithful, to be loyal, to be obedient to the church, to the bishop, and to all the authorities, that he cannot deviate and engage in partisan politics. You can talk about politics because we are told that every man is a political animal. But to go into specifics of partisan politics, please, that is not the place of a Catholic clergy. I just want you to know that. And if a clergy embarks on such unbecoming and foreign conduct, the church has a solution, and the church knows what to do.